Jessica the Booker Goddess and
Jade Artistic Greenlish.
Isn't she pretty today? Okay. she went to work. She looks very pretty. Anyways, we are here to film.
The other day she's a fucking ugly gal.
We're here to film our day 3 updates and my 3-day drawing. Then we're going to do our day 4. Yeah. And we're going to do our day 4 video challenge. So I'll do my drawing first, which is kind of sad.
He's wrapped in a tornado.
This is day 3's challenge, my icon video. We're just going to say crap got destroyed. It's not a craptastic video.
Well, is that an alien?
That's supposed to be I thought it was going to be the person destroying the tower, and then all the vibrations making them shake. But then I was like...
If it was an alien, who knows? It could be a damn stick figure.
Well, then I was thinking, well, it would work out as a better alien standing next to the icon getting blown up by the cannon. But there was no cannon in the story.
No cannon in the story.
But it was actually
a fence.
It was supposed to be a fence, but it wasn't turning out to be a good-looking fence.
I don't even know what that is.
So then I said it was a cannon.
It ain't even a cannon. I don't know what
really
that
dumb.
is.
Just pretend you never saw that. That was hideous drawing. But I fulfilled the challenge. That was the main point. I was just kind of embarrassed to show it, but what the hell? Hey, who cares? All right. With that being done, now I will do my update for day 3. As of day 3, I have read 1,000 pages. Yesterday, I read 2 books, and for a total of 292 pages, I finished 1. I read 100 pages, and Catherine, I'm up to 100. I read 100 more pages, and then I finished Midnight Secretary Volume 6, which is a graphic novel. No, 7. I'm sorry, 7. So, it didn't complete any challenges for me, but, I'm still doing good. I'm up to 2 challenges completed, and as far as videos, we've been doing them daily. So, we're still doing really good. All right, what's your updates?
All in all, I have read 2 books, and I'm reading Mothership.
Yes, and she's been doing her videos with me, so she's fulfilling the video parts of the challenge.
Somewhat. Because I clearly did not make an awesome cover.
Yeah, you'll do.
But I can't live up to that, so.
Yeah, you can't. That was an amazing cover.
Yeah. I might as well just
nobody can draw as mean of a stick figure as me. Yeah, nobody.
Well,
and then a blow up.
Give up now.
And an atom bomb tower. Hey, Anyways. And now for the second part of the video, which is day 4's video, which is to get 3 books, which apparently she's shoving into the video now, and to do a story. Mm-hmm. What we decided to do is take the story and combine them together. She's going to do the first half. I'm going to do the second half. So we're going to keep it separate, but as a continuous flow. At least we hope it's a continuous flow. With us, you never know.
Mothership Illustrator and Foundation. Oh, look how cool I'm holding it.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
All right.
So, the princess went into the mothership to salvage the elixir of life. To save her people. Once she retrieved the elixir, the people were healed.
Then the 5th wave happened, and the icons came, which caused the mind games to happen. In order to stop the mind games, the princess used her powers to destroy the icons and put an end to the 5th wave, which ended the mind games and saved the people. The end.
She did it!
Oh my gosh. It was like torture because I knew what I had to say, but she wrote it down, so then I was looking instead of just rambling it off. Which I've done this, I can do these, in minutes. But when I go to do them again, I say them differently every time I do them. And they always make sense, but it's just different how I do them every time. Okay, that is our update video, guys. And we had great time filming it, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.